Today let's draw a cute little fox. Enclose a half circle and a wide, rounded, loose M shape to form the fox's head. Enclose an irregular shape like a raindrop to form the big tail of the fox. Draw a vertical wavy line on the tail. This will be used to separate the color blocks. Connect the head and the body with two short curved lines. And enclose two large curved triangles on top of the fox's head. Then, enclose a smaller triangle inside each of the larger triangles. These form the fox's ears. Add details to the face. Draw two curved lines from the chin to the top of the head. Draw two rounded circles for the eyes. Then draw a smaller circle within each and shade between the two. Draw and shade a big dot at the chin to form the big nose. Add some small raindrop shapes at the top of the face, the cheeks, and the big tail. Color your fox. Here we will make it a red one.